Are you truly getting the most out of your Apple Watch? Think again. While it's easy to stick to the basics, there's a whole world of features waiting to elevate your experience, some of which you might not even know exist. From hidden health insights to time-saving gestures, these 8 tips and tricks will transform how you use your device. But here's where it gets controversial. Not everyone agrees on how to optimize their Apple Watch. Some prefer simplicity, while others crave customization. Which side are you on? Let's dive in and find out. 1. Swipe between watch faces. Yes, it's back. Remember when you could swipe between watch faces effortlessly? Apple removed this feature in watchOS 10.0, likely due to accidental swipes. But here's the part most people miss. It's back in watchOS 10.2 and later, including watchOS 26. Re-enable it by going to Settings, Clock, and toggling Swipe to switch watch face. It's a small change, but it makes switching from a professional look to a workout-ready face a breeze. 2. Monitor your health like never before with Vitals. Wearing your Apple Watch overnight isn't just about tracking sleep. It's a goldmine of health data. The Vitals app analyzes your heart rate, respiration, body temperature on supported models, and sleep duration. But here's the catch. If you own an older watch model, you'll see blood oxygen readings directly in the app. Newer models in the US, however, send this data to the health app on your iPhone due to a legal dispute. Why does this matter? It helps establish a baseline for your health, alerting you to irregularities that could signal bigger issues. It's not a diagnosis, but it's a powerful tool for early detection. 3. Master the wrist flick gesture. watchOS 26 introduces a game-changing gesture, the wrist flick. Available on Apple Watch Series 9 and later, as well as Ultra 2 and Ultra 3 models, this quick motion lets you dismiss notifications, answer calls, or return to the watch face. Here's the controversial part. Some users find it too sensitive, while others swear by its convenience. Give it a try. You might just love it. 4. Make the Smart Stack your personal assistant. The Smart Stack is more than just a collection of widgets. It's a dynamic hub for quick information. Access it by turning the digital crown or swiping up from the watch face. But here's where it gets interesting. You can pin your favorite widgets to ensure they're always visible. For example, I pinned a 10-minute timer for my daily tasks. To do this, edit the Smart Stack, add your desired widget, and tap the pin button. It's a small tweak with a big impact. 5. Customize live activities to fit your lifestyle. Live activities in the Smart Stack can be a double-edged sword. While they're useful for tracking food deliveries or timers, some find them intrusive. Here's the solution. Disable auto-launch live activities in Settings, Smart Stack, Live Activities. You can also customize which apps use live activities, giving you full control over your watch experience. 6. Turn your watch into a flashlight. Did you know your Apple Watch can double as a flashlight? Unlike your phone, it uses the entire screen to emit light. While it's not as bright, it's perfect for navigating dark spaces without disturbing others. Activate it via the control center and adjust the brightness with the digital crown. The real surprise? You can switch to a flashing or red light mode, ideal for nighttime walks to increase visibility. 7. Pause your activity rings without guilt. Struggling to close your rings due to illness or travel? watchOS 11 lets you pause your exercise, movement, and standing rings without breaking your streak. Simply open the Activity app, scroll to the bottom of your weekly summary, and tap Pause Rings. Choose to pause for a day, week, month, or custom duration. The debate here: does pausing defeat the purpose of staying active? Or is it a practical feature for real-life challenges? You decide. 8. Skip the workout countdown. Tired of waiting for the 3-second countdown before your workout starts? Tap the screen once to bypass it and start tracking immediately. It's a minor tweak, but it saves time and ensures every step counts. Bonus tip: force quit apps like a pro. Even the Apple Watch isn't immune to glitches. If an app freezes, double press the digital crown, swipe left on the app, and tap the red X to force quit. The question remains, is this a sign of Apple's perfectionism or a reminder that no tech is flawless? Let us know in the comments. These tips are just the tip of the iceberg. Whether you're a minimalist or a power user, there's always more to discover. And if you're curious about the Apple Watch SE 3 or how Apple tests its watches, check out our in-depth coverage. Now, tell us, which tip are you most excited to try? And which feature do you think Apple should add next?